I thank you? Can I thank you very much for learning spoken English with me? My dear friend, as we know that English is important and we are learning. Your journey make smooth and clear. That is why I am arriving here. So I am very great and thankful that you have paid your attention and you wanted to learn spoken English with us. Right? Have you ever felt that whenever you try to speak English, you stuck in somewhere? कभी आपको ऐसा लगा है या महसूस हुआ है कि जब कभी भी आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश करते हो तो आप स्टक हो जाते हो, आपका माइंड ब्लैंक हो जाता है? और वेन एवर यू आर कंडक्टिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ टेकिंग क्लासेस और गोइंग समवेयर, व्हेन द पीपल आस्क टू यू can you please tell me about something, or when they wanted to know about your point of views and your opinions, you can't able to speak, or you are not raising your hand to speak because you have fear. कहीं ना कहीं आपको afraid है, डर है कि अगर आप बोलोगे तो 2-3 sentences के बाद you will be stuck and you can't able to speak. Because of that insult, because of that problem, you are not speaking English, right? So today we are going to learn about how to generate the thoughts, how you can take out any object and through that object you can able to speak as much as possible, right? आज हम we will take about any object, हम object लेंगे and then you have to just speak about those objects. Means कैसे आप सिंपल इंग्लिश बोलो, कैसे आप नॉर्मल सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को ब्रेक डाउन करके यू कैन कनेक्ट एंड देन यू कैन एबल टू स्पीक. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, हियर वी गो. We will take out the object and you will going to learn, right? So I have the object. You can see this is what is this? This is water bottle, right? So this is water bottle. Do you seems it is water bottle? Yes, it is water bottle. So if I ask to you, you please tell me about this object, or you please tell me about this thing. So what comes in your mind? What you will speak? What things you have? How you can speak? You will say, this is a bottle. This is water bottle. The bottle name is Bisleri, right? You will speak. But what if I tell you there are so many things which you can speak about this particular products or objects, right? Because generating thought is important. Whatever you are doing about, like you want to speak so many things, but things are not happening. You have paid your more attention. You have gone through reading, listening, speaking, writing, but yet something is not coming out from your mind, right? So if I let's now today we will begin. Today we will be talking about this object. So you can see this is water bottle. I don't know मैं क्या बोलूँगा इस बोतल के बारे में, but I am trying my best and I will try to explain and research the things. What can I speak, right? So if I speak about this particular bottle, so means I am generating my ideas, my thoughts. Same things we need to do in English. We have, in order to understand, in order to speak spoken English, you have to just generate your ideas and thoughts. More ideas, more thoughts you are generating. You are connecting one thoughts to another thoughts. So you will getting material. You will getting object to speak. You will getting thoughts to speak about any particular objects, right? So let's I have taken the subject. This you can see this is water bottle, right? So we need to describe it. We need to tell about the various kind of things. अगर मैं आपसे पूछता हूँ कि आप इस बोतल के बारे में इंग्लिश में what things you can speak, what are the things, what are the lines that you can speak related to this bottle? This is water bottle, right? So let's understand. Do you think it is bottle? It is water bottle. Do you agree with that? So if I explain it, so yes, it is water bottle, but there is inside there is a bottle. So my dear friend, I think it is made of plastic. If I am not wrong, it is made of plastic. You can see the bottle color is transparent white, right? Transparent white. You can see ढक्कन. You can see it is like I don't know the name of the exact color, but it seems bluish, light blue. The bottle name is Bisleri. Is this Bisleri? Yes, it is Bisleri. Have you ever thought why the bottle, why we are purchasing this bottle? Have you ever remember last time or last trip you have gone somewhere and you have purchased the bottle? Have you remember? You might have visited new places, or you went from city to village to city, or you went for picnic. So have you realized that yes, I should buy the bottle? Have you ever remember that you brought the bottle or you purchased the bottle in order to fulfill the requirement of thirstiness, right? Have you remember? So yes, this is a bottle, and last time when I travel from Delhi to Bangalore, so in midnight I remember that I am very thirsty at that moment. So that moment I purchased the bottle, and it was very it was very I couldn't find anybody who's selling the bottle, so I was very angry, and I was very thirsty. So I thought that what can I do? How can I do? How can I drink water? Right. So I brought bottle and I drink it. So, and if I talk about the bottle, so bottle is a very nice, and it in this it carries mineral water. Water is important, and when you are purchasing the water from outside, so you should always understand that I should take good water bottle which is mineral and which is the right one, so that it can take care of our health. So water bottle is very important, right? If you are not drinking the mineral or any good water, then you will stuck in somewhere, your pet will be damaging, and everything is just screaming. So before doing anything, you should purchase the right bottle and for drinking water, right? I hope you understand. I just want to give you the brief introductions related to this product, what I can speak, right? Last time, do you understand that there are so many people, you might be also among of them, that you purchase the bottle, you drink the water, and then you have thrown bottle in somewhere at the railway station, at bus stop, and many places you have thrown, or you might have seen that yes, there are lots of bottle people, they after using they threw it somewhere, right? So have you remember that what would happen about those bottles? Have you ever see the kawadi wala or rag pickers, is they are coming surrounding you, or they are collecting bottle, and then they sell the bottle to the organization, to the company, where they get the money, and the bottle it will recycle and reuse. Because of reuse, they also modifying new plastic things, new plastic objects. So through, you can see, through the help of the bottle, I have been speaking here, and you can also correlate your ideas, your subjects, and whatever you felt like. So I think water bottle across all over the world, people use whenever they go any trip, or and apart from water, after finishing the water, you can carry any kind of liquid things inside the bottles, you can carry. Have you remember that what means? Have you ever wondered that what you are going to speak about this bottle? Have you ever thought that you will speak that much? No. कभी आपको लगा कि मैं ऐसा इंग्लिश में बोल सकता हूँ? I don't know, but still I'm trying my best and explaining the things and researching. So this is what I have spoken till now. But again, you can think about there are many companies bottles which sales in India and outside abroad as well, right? So you can see this bottle is it is very useful, and it is very healthy for drinking water and for health purpose. So we always purchase the bottle, and we should not throw any outside in open area. We should keep in dustbin, or we can utilize this bottle to put any kind of liquid things or liquid items, we can preserve inside the bottle. So water bottle, right? So today I have been speaking about here. So I hope you understand the meaning of these videos. My dear friend, you have to identify the things, and then you have to generate. You can take about any subject, any things, and that subject you are going to speak. Much more you are speaking, much more clarities, much more thoughts will come, and then this is how you are going to emphasize your learning, your creativity, and you can involve yourself to speak something new. If you are understanding and learning and doing all the things, so definitely you are doing your practice, and practice makes perfect. But you have to take initiatives. You have to just start up with the practice part. I hope you remember, and I hope you will like. Let's see Well, thank you very much for watching. I will bring such kind of videos and things which can generate your thoughts. It is not learning about spoken English. It is about creating your whole personalities, your thoughts, informations, and your communication skills. These are the very important things which I have been teaching you. And please watch my videos and do subscribe and share with your friends and family, so that you will never miss any kind of update. You should subscribe. Thank you very much for putting your kind efforts and learning, and I'll make your journey smooth and comfortable. Thank you very much.